VA Institute of Technology, S. Tamilarasi, BE CSE second year, Sirungundram, Chengalpattu district. Welcome for CSE Project Learning Group. Today I will talk about in this video for swapping variables or values in this Python. I am tell 4 method of swapping in this video. That is first swapping method 1. That is this first method have 3 variables. So I am create 2 variables for given value, that is a is equal to 4 and b equal to 5. This is for that 2 variable. Next I am using next one variable, that is temp. Temp means temporary variable. Temp I am give this variable name is temp. In this temp variable save this a value, a variable value. So I am first storing temp equal to a. Next I am swapping this value a equal to b. Next this temp, finally this b equal to temp. Finally I am print this a and b. So print a, print b. How is it work in this place, in this formula? That is first I am create one temp variable, that is stored a. A means 4. So this temp variable stored value is 4. Next this a equal to b. In this place the a equal to b is a 5. So b value, anyway the left value is assigned to for right variable. The left variable value is assigned to right variable. So in this concept this 4 is this b is have 5 value. The 5 value is assigned to this right variable a. So a is equal, in this place the a is equal to 5. So in this place a is equal to 5. No, this in this place print a is equal to, finally the a value stored 5. So print now this a is equal to 5 and print this a is equal to, and next finally this b value is equal to temp. Already this a value is 4. This right side variable value is assigned for right side variable, left side variable. In this right side a value variable assigning left side temp variable. So temp is equal to is 4. So this temp is 4 in this place, same as it is this right side variable value assigned for this left side variable. So in this concept working in this program. So finally print this b. So b is I am say this code. Finally I am run this. This code is finally run. See, in this place a is 5 and b is 4. See, a is 4 but b is 5 and this two value are swapping in this concept, method 1 concept. A is 5 and B is 4. This swapping is completely, process is complete. And next one method. So I'm close this. And next taking method 2. That is, this method 2 is very simple and easy. In this method, I am create two variables, and in this method, I have only one line sentence only swapping. So easily can we remember this method that only one line is a comma b is equal to b comma a. This line swapping your values. So finally I print this. Print A is, I print A, and next I print B. B is, I complete this code. This method is very simple and one line swapping method. So I save it is, I run this. This code is run. See, this value swapping, this method of code is swapping your values. A is 5 and B is 4. But how is it run now? You already know data structure. Easily understand for you this method. This only reverse of stack method. In this place using this code, reverse of stack method only. And I'm go to next method. In this method, how to swapping using formula. So I'm create the same variable and values. A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 5. Next, I am not using extra variable in this place. Only I am using formula. So A equal to A plus B, and next B is equal to, next B is equal to A minus B, and next again one formula, that is A is equal to A minus B. I print this all. Print is, next print B is. How it work in this place in this program? First A plus B. In this place A is 4 and B is 5. So value is 9. Next place, so A is equal to finally stored 11. They finally stored in 11 value in A variable. Next in this place A minus B. So finally this A value is stored 11. 11 minus 5. Now this finally value B is equal to, in this place finally this A value is 9. Next this syntax statement. In this line work this code, this final in this a minus b, this final value a is the 9. So 9 minus b value is 5. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So this finally stored in b is equal to 4. And next, finally in this line a minus b, the finally a value is 9, value stored in 9 value in a, and final the b value finally stored in 4. So a 9 minus 4 now is equal to 5. So finally in this place print a and b. The finally stored a value is 5 and b value is 4. So swapping in this code. Swapping values for in this code. So I am run this first. Save this code. I am run this. This code is run. Finally swapping is complete. A is 5 and b is 4. So I am move next method. That is same as it is this method 3. That is let explain that. So I am first create two variables, that is a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 5, same as it is. And in this place I am using once method 3 same as this method a cap b. This cap act as in this place or logic. Next b is equal to same as a cap b, and again a is equal to a cap b. So in this place it is act or logic, same as in this place 4 is this code is taken binary value of 4. This binary value of 4 is 100, and the binary value of I am taken 4 bits, and the binary value of 5 is 0101. This is for the binary value of 4 and 5, and this 4 and 5 the logical or logical and act finally this as it is present in this place. So in this place this is working, a is 1, and in this place this is a is 4, and in this place this value is 5. So in this method act as in this program. So finally I am print this all variables. Print, I am save this code. Finally I am print this variable and run this. In this code is run. The values are swapping in this method 4. So swapping is complete. This is a final method of in this place. See, a is equal to 4 but a is 5, and b is equal to 5 and b is 4 in this place. In this method is or logic in this coding. So this is for 4 type of method. The first method is using 3 variables, and the second method is without only one line syntax of swapping, and the third method is using some formula, and final method is same as it is third method but using or logic conditions using for in this final method. Thank you for watching.